Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Sharma. I am from BLD Engineering College Civil Department. I am going to deal with the topic disinfecting action of liquid and gas chlorine. So basically, what is meant by chlorination? Chlorination means adding of chlorine in drinking water. Two different processes can be used to achieve safe level of chlorine in drinking water. The chlorine is available as compressed elemental gas or sodium hypochlorite or sodium calcium hypochlorite. So let me show the slide so you can understand the better it. So how chlorine can be used as disinfectant? So use 0.5% of chlorine solution to clean and disinfect surfaces, object and body fluid spills. Make new strong 0.5% chlorine solution every day. Throw away and leftover solution from the day before. Add 10 tablespoons of HTS, 7% chlorine to 20 liters of water packet. So basically in the market we have available the chlorine solution. So we can take from there and add to the swimming pool water or wherever we want to disinfect it. So I am going to show the next slide. Liquid chlorine or chlorine gas. The molecular chlorine can be carried and applied to the water to treat it either in liquid form or in gaseous form. Liquid chlorine is more excessively used. So wherever we see, we can see only the liquid chlorine actually, because it is the best way to disinfect the water. So gas chlorine is available in a very small area. It's not used in huge. So chlorine in its gaseous form is greenish yellow, about 2.5 times heavier than the slide and soluble in water. So wherever we see, it is in gaseous form. It's a green yellow and sometimes it can be seen as yellow totally. So the gaseous form of chlorine gets converted into liquid form when subjected to pressure of 7 kg per centimeter square. So chlorine gas neither burns nor explodes and can therefore safely stored in steel cylinder in a gaseous form or in a liquid form. So it is not exploited by its owner, it's by man-made only. So let's see the advantage and disadvantage of gas chlorine or liquid chlorine. Advantage of using free chlorine as a disinfectant: can be stored easily for a long period without any risk and getting credit in it. Cheap and easily available. So, and talk about the disadvantage. Whenever the gas chlorine is leaked, it will be very harmful to the human beings. It can irritate the eyes, lungs and throat and mainly affect on the respiratory problems. It will directly affect the lungs and sometimes it damages and sometimes it can be to kill or deathly also. So how it is available in the market? So let's see. So this is a gas chlorine cylinders. It is placed in the compressed elemental gas. So it is stored in like this. And talking about the liquid chlorine, you can see in everywhere where you can go to buy it. So thank you. This is the best performance which I can do.